It is a beautiful day here, or a beautiful evening here in Des Moines. And on this beautiful evening, we have a beautiful apartment building. This is the Wetherell in Des Moines, and they have a really neat elevator inside to see. It's a very hilly street, makes you think we're in the east. Feels like I'm up by Cleveland or something. Hilly streets, old apartment buildings. But anyway, just wait until you see what we have in here. This thing really is amazing. All right, we are inside now. Look at this beautiful old building. This building is a gem. All right, let's have a ride on the old elevator. All right, here we go. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Otis globe on the door. Look at that. I did not notice that. That is cool. I guess the gate is somewhat automatic, or it closes automatically. Sounds like there's water down there. Make sure that's pulled shut. Whoa. Oh, look at that. They tell you everything about it. That's cool as hell. All right. Chenoweth Kern. I guess they've had a hand in this at some point. All right, enough dilly-dallying. Let's go. If the Otis globe is on every floor. No, they don't have it here. What a beautiful building. I mean, seriously. This building is a gem. 5. Little under level. This thing is a gem. That light looks like it was replaced. It looks like it was just a single bulb originally. I've never seen that. A little thing, that adapter, you put 2 bulbs in. Interesting, I've never seen an adapter like that. Here's your certificate. All right, let's watch it go. A little bit of pre-door too. Continuity elevator. Never seen that before. Yeah, they made that looks like the Boston Red Sox beat. Ow. Ow. So I definitely did not just slam my elbow on that ledge. That hurt. Why don't we take it on another ride? Pull it closed by the little hole there. No 6th floor, but there is 5. All right, here we go. See the counterweight go by. Look at that. I love this. Oh, I don't think that's part of the decor, but they had some random smoke detectors down there. There's a bird. I want to pet him. Pet the bird. Anyway, I guess no need to shut the gate because that's automatic. Look for light in window. There's the light in the window. Weird. Anyway, that's it. All right, I got my pictures of the elevator, but I decided let's record the ride back down. This thing is so cool that we just gotta get the full experience. All right, down to me. Yes, my hands are very dusty. I was in a couple motor rooms today. There's the gate. If we can see the gate operator. You can barely see the gate operator. But anyway, look at this cool basement. It's blue down here. Anyway, look at this. A child can operate the Otis electric elevator. Look at that. You can see the... Oh, that is cool. Why not have one in your home? That is cool. Anyway. So before I end the video, I just noticed this. Over here by the elevator. If you look over here, we actually have a few of the old parts of the elevator, or prints, or brochures, whatnot. Pause if you want to see that up close. My phone isn't focusing, but pause if you want to read. Anyway, I just thought that was pretty cool.